before Paul Wall's sound check or show. A7S3, my trusty camera. Trusty mic, on top mic. Capture all the audio. Oh, can't forget the flash. Nice little flash. Take some photos. Can't forget the battery charger. And I can't forget the extra battery as well. Gotta get dressed real quick. Yep, leaving out. Headed to sound check.
Side, except on the other side.
Backyard, Waco. What up, champ? Sprinter. Yeah, you know, right now I'm looking for different locations. I make it look like I got like 30 cameras. I shoot from all over. That's one of my spots right there. I'm definitely gonna shoot right there tonight. What up, champ? Sound check.